Welcome to Review Source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best ropes for rope climbing, ranked by safety features, handling, and value. Whether you're ascending fixed lines, working aloft in trees, setting ropes from the ground, or just need a rock-solid safety tether around a tree stand, these ropes are built to keep you secure, efficient, and confident. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. TRSMIMA Safety Harness Kit with 50-foot vertical rope. When it comes to climbing ropes for actual fall protection, the TRSMIMA Safety Harness Kit stands out because it's more than just a rope. It comes as a complete vertical lifeline system, including a 50-foot static rope, a rope grab, and an energy-absorbing lanyard that ensures you're safe every step of the way. The rope grab is one of the most critical features. It slides smoothly along the rope as you climb, but if you slip or fall, it locks instantly to prevent a free fall. That extra layer of safety is what separates the setup from just using a carabiner and rope. The built-in shock absorber on the lanyard helps reduce the force on your body in case of a fall, which can mean the difference between walking away unharmed and serious injury. This kit is ANSI Z359.1 compliant and has a rated braking strength of over 3,600 pounds, which makes it tough enough for professional job site use. Homeowners who reviewed it also like it for roof work, gutter cleaning, or climbing ladders for tree trimming. At 50 feet, the rope is long enough for two-story houses or small industrial jobs. Users say setup is straightforward, even for people new to vertical lifelines. The rope itself is thick enough to feel secure in the hand, and the mechanism is easy to trust once you try it a few times. The trade-off is that the system is heavier and bulkier than just carrying a standalone rope, but most people agree that the peace of mind is worth it. If your rope climbing involves working at dangerous heights or fall arrest is essential, the TRSMIMA kit gives you everything you need right out of the box.
Number 2. XBEN Outdoor Static Climbing Rope. For those looking for a versatile climbing rope without the full fall arrest kit, the XBEN Outdoor Static Rope is a dependable option. At 10.5 millimeters thick, it hits a sweet spot between being strong and still easy to handle. This rope is kern-mantle in construction, meaning it has a strong core surrounded by a protective woven sheath. That design gives it excellent tensile strength, rated at 25 kilonewtons, while keeping stretch to a minimum. The low stretch is especially important for rappelling, hauling gear, rescue training, or fixed line climbing because you don't want a bouncy rope in those situations. One of the best things about the XBEN rope is the variety of lengths available. You can pick up a short 32-foot line if you just need something for utility work, or choose lengths up to 200 feet for caving or larger climbing setups. The polyester sheath is abrasion resistant and holds up well against sharp rock edges or rough bark if you're climbing trees. Climbers and workers alike praise this rope for being smooth through hardware and secure with knots. Reviewers consistently say it feels like ropes costing much more. Some mention that it's a bit stiffer at first, but softens with use. It's not designed for dynamic lead climbing, so you shouldn't use it where a fall could generate high forces, but for static applications, it's an excellent value. If you want an affordable, tough, and versatile rope for fixed line climbing and general outdoor use, the XBEN Outdoor Static Rope is a top performer. Number 3. XBEN Arborist Reflective Throw Line Kit. Not all climbing ropes are designed to be climbed directly. Sometimes you need a way to get your main rope into place first, especially if you're climbing trees. That's where the XBEN Arborist Reflective Throw Line Kit comes in. This kit is a tool used by arborists and tree climbers to set ropes high in the canopy. It comes with a lightweight but strong line that you attach to a throw weight. You toss it over a branch, then use that line to pull your actual climbing rope into position. It saves time and effort compared to trying to place a climbing rope directly by hand. What makes this kit especially helpful is the reflective line. Arborists often start work early in the morning or finish near dusk, and the reflective strands make the line easier to see in low light. It's also slick enough to resist tangling, which is a common frustration with cheaper throw lines. Users say the included throw weights balance well, making it easier to hit your target branches. The line glides smoothly when pulling up a rope, and the durability means it lasts through multiple seasons of use.
It's important to note that this line is not designed to be climbed, it's a placement tool only. But without a good throw line kit, getting a rope 30 or 40 feet up a tree can be frustrating and even dangerous. For arborists or anyone who needs to set ropes in high places, this XBEN reflective throw line kit is an essential part of the gear bag.
Number 4, AOLEBA static climbing rope. AOLEBA also makes a solid static climbing rope, and it's become popular with both outdoor enthusiasts and workers because of its comfortable handling and strong build. Like the XBEN rope, it's a 10.5mm Kern mantle static line, but users often describe it as a bit softer and easier on the hands. The rope comes in multiple lengths, giving flexibility depending on the task. It's made from polyester, which resists wear and handles moisture well. The sheath is tightly woven, which helps knots hold firm without slipping. It also runs nicely through descenders and ascenders, giving a smooth feel during rappels or climbs. In terms of strength, the rope easily handles hauling, rappelling, and fixed climbing. While it's not meant for dynamic falls, it's more than capable for static uses, from rigging to rescue practice. Reviewers also mentioned that it's surprisingly lightweight compared to some other ropes of similar diameter, which makes carrying long length less of a burden. If you want a climbing rope that's durable, easy to use, and comfortable in the hand, the AOLEBA static rope is an excellent alternative to more expensive brands.
Number 5, Hunter Safety System Rope Style Tree Strap. While most of the ropes so far are for climbing in the traditional sense, this one is designed for hunting safety. The Hunter Safety System Rope Style Tree Strap keeps you protected while climbing into and out of a tree stand. Falls from tree stands are one of the biggest risks for hunters, and this rope addresses that problem by keeping you connected from the ground all the way up and back down. Reviewers say it's simple but incredibly effective. Many mention that it gives them peace of mind knowing they're protected during the most dangerous part of tree stand hunting, which is climbing in and out of tree stands. Some even say it has become a non-negotiable part of their hunting gear. If you spend time in a tree stand, the Hunter Safety System Rope Style Tree Strap is a low-cost piece of equipment that can literally save your life. Each of these best ropes for rope climbing brings its own strengths, from complete fall protection kits and budget-friendly static workhorses to reflective throw lines and tree stand straps that keep you safe from ground to canopy. Whether you need standards compliance for job sites, low stretch efficiency for climbing and hauling, or continuous safety in the woods, there's an option here to match your needs. The best gratitude for the channel is a like and a subscription. And in return, we'll keep introducing you to the best products in terms of price and quality. Let me remind you, links to all of the ropes are in the description. And in the comments, tell us which rope you'd pick for your setup and what you think we should add to the list. This was Review Source. See you soon.